low prices, changing behaviors out in the field very rapidly.
The word is getting out that blockchain can potentially be a solution.
The biggest hurdle to trusting in automation is understanding the data.
Enough people to do the jobs they're supposed to be doing anyway. So a drilling engineer doesn't want to be an invoicing engineer, as a quote.
Can we just simplify the whole process so that just like how you go and get gas into your car and you swipe your credit card and you are done?
It's not really a gray area. It's very black and white. Is there enough value there? I mean, if you can't get 10 times your money back by doing this, then don't do it.
WhatNext is a platform as a service and an ecosystem that connects 12 exponential digital technologies to the business objective and needs of industry. It combines carefully curated analyst insights with a technology adoption ecosystem that constitutes of industry players, venturing community, a global startup network, and technology adoption enablers.
At the end of today's webinar, we hope to leave you with a more clear view of how blockchain can impact the oil and gas industry.
It's kind of like a thin, light fabric that fits across all the different systems for different companies and then provides value on top of it.
What we focused on in the proof of value was how many pennies can we save? And we ended up agreeing to about 11 cents a barrel of water.
It also increases trust as the transaction record is secure, reliable, and entirely immutable.
Blockchain is a source of data, just like a sensor or a SCADA system or an ERP. And people typically confuse blockchain with big data systems. And this is not a big data system, it's a specific data problem. A common misconception is that we can just lay a blockchain on top of an existing process and the world was solved. We've been in a down market effectively since 2014. There's been hundreds of thousands of layoffs. And at some point, there has to be a better way.
What we are doing is we are using devices where available, and we are recording that data as it's coming in from the devices.
So people ask how this works. In a nutshell, what we do is we integrate an IoT platform with a blockchain platform.
How many pennies can we save? And overall, in aggregate, when you look at this, and this is how we were able to get companies to act.
We are working on use cases for all of these. So the E&P with seismic data, with drilling data, being able to streamline the payments.
In the upstream, we looked at field tickets for fluid hauling use cases. In the midstream sector, there were maintenance tickets, inspection tickets. Downstream, there were bills of lading. There were truck tickets for refined products distribution. There is the use case that we've just started implementing, and this is where we're taking chemicals, and this is a transshipment, chemicals leaving a refinery on a rail car.
We worked on a use case recently, drilling contract. So we were reaching across 5 different systems, 5 different companies.
Can smart contracts be updated as business processes change? And are smart contract platforms centralized? How do you ensure the integrity of the data in the blockchain? How do the users view the data? Is there a specific software required? Or in your opinion today, do oil and gas executives have a clear understanding of what the value that blockchain can really deliver to their business? What are the kind of challenges you face today in getting companies to oil and gas players to really move to a proof of concept or a proof of value stage?